Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI for part 2. In part 1, I'm so used about install the Bing AI, register and using uh, the chat to ask any question, and then Bing is provide the many answer for us. For in this part 2, I will show you how to create any image that we want, that we are making, and then Bing can do for us. And so let's start. So first you go to the Bing that we have been installed. So you will see the image creator, and then you click on it. You can click on design, and then you can write something like yes, it's this image that Bing is create for us. So it's so cute, yeah. So it's a cat wearing hat with the sunglasses. Or you can image and write something that is come up with your mind, like yes, a horse playing, yes, and then create. Yeah, that is so beautiful. That is perfect. Yeah, you can do that very easy, and then you can imagine and try it, and then make a Bing create for us. Thank you for watching my video. I will show you uh, the next video. Thank you.